Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Wednesday to everybody out there. Hope everybody's keeping it a safe and a blessed week out there, just as well as I would like to, wish everybody a happy holidays out there. All right. In today's video segment presentation will be geared towards the precious metal stacking community. All right. A little while ago, I was at a local LCS. As you can take notice, just a little while ago, I did receive a little mail call. So in this particular video, we will be doing a little slight unpackaging. At this prior time, when I woke up this morning, I noticed the market and all the metals is up in the green. All right. So just to give you a little clear shot of where we stand. All right. Gold is sitting at $1,800, $5.90. It's up $9.30. So it's up 0.252%. Silver is sitting at $22.87. At the prior moment, it's up 23 cents, 1.2%. Platinum is sitting at $987.80. Platinum is up $39.50, 4.39%. And the big mover upon the day is palladium, moving in at $1,929. Palladium is up $96.90 at the prior moment, sitting at 5.43%. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to move along. I'm going to get out a couple of things, get my box cutters out, get my gloves, and we're going to dive into it. So walk with me. Let's get it. Alrighty then. So now that I got my gloves out, let's see here. Okay, I got a package that came in from Buffalo, New York. So what I'm about to do is just cut this out. Get this out the way. Okay, so what I got in this morning is a new added addition, all right, to the platinum stack. All right, as of recently, I've been converting, some of my silver position into platinum, palladium, and gold. All right. I'm not saying that I get discouraged by silver's volatility or anything like that, but what it is I take a good close look at the market daily, and when I see an opportunity present itself, when it does for particular prices and things like that, I like to convert a little bit of silver over into other different metals as a diversification. All right, so this is a new piece that just came in, so we could take a look here. This is a 1997. I forget what the mintage is on this particular coin. I believe that the mintage for this particular one is quite low. This is a 1/10 ounce. Okay. Okay, and it comes with its COA. So just to give you a little quick example, it's a proof. Give you some specifications. This was minted in the West Point mint. So you have your diameter, your thickness, your composition, your weight, and the total mintage on this coin is 38,000 worldwide, globally. All right. So yeah, this particular one did have a low mintage. This is not, some of the most lowest mintages that are out there, but packaged individually and in the sets, there's 38,000 of these globally. All right. So as you can see that I have one now in my possession, just as well as I have quite a few others that I have demonstrated in the past that I just recently picked up. I forget the dates of the other ones that I actually have, but if you ain't see those videos, you can go back into my video descriptions and things like that. All right, so this is your certificate of authenticity. So it's 1997 American Eagle 1/10 ounce platinum coin. The undersigned hereby certifies that this coin is a proof version of the 1/10 ounce United States platinum bullion coin, struck in accordance with legislation passed by Congress and signed by President William J. Clinton on September 30th, 1996 as Public Law 104-208. This coin is produced by the United States Mints in the inaugural issue of the United States Platinum Coins. The coin is legal tender of the United States of America. All right. So you would see the director of the United States, Philip N. Deal, I believe, if I'm pronouncing the gentleman's last name correctly. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to move along, all right, into this coin. So that we could take a look. Okay, so this is a proof. All right. It's 1997. Once again, I use Milwaukee underhood light when I'm recording, so you know it sheds like a glare, all right, into the lens when I'm recording, so sometimes it affects the clarity of the video. All right. So just to give you a quick description. All right, this is 0.9995 platinum, 1/10 ounce. All right, as you can see over here, it is struck with a W mint mark, and it has a $10 face denomination. For some of those individuals out there who is not educated in the metal space, right? No matter when it comes to silver, gold, platinum, palladium, you may see some coins that are government-backed issue coins, okay, and they may have a dollar denomination. This is because the coins are US backed currency, all right, but the metal content within these coins completely exceeds the value of the face value, all right. So you know, you don't want to make a mistake by coming across a particular coin like this, and you know, you think that it's just $10, and yes, because it's platinum, it's worth a whole lot much more than $10. It's the same thing, you know, for gold or palladium. Just to give you, you know, a quick example, like a 1 ounce gold buffalo or 1 ounce gold American Eagle may possibly have a $50 denomination, okay, and it is a government-backed bullion. So, you know, when you think about that and you exchanging it, you know, to purchase something, it's not worth $50, all right? You spending almost close to $2,000 if it was gold, okay? So just to, you know, give you some little food for thought so that you get an understanding for what you're looking at when it comes to precious metals. Once again, this is platinum, all right? As of lately, if you take notice to some of the videos that I've been putting out as of lately, I have obtained a 1/4 ounce American Eagle, just as well as another 1/10 ounce and a platinum proof maple leaf. All right, just as well, I still have a few other different things that are coming in at the prior moment, and you know, I'll be browsing and I'm moving around to local LCSs, but my local LCS, they rarely see bullion like this or palladium in their shop. So, you know, I'll be having to deal with a lot of different online reputable dealers and things like that of that nature. All right. But once again, when it comes to silver, like I said, when you're looking at the precious metals space and you're a little uneducated about precious metals, I suggest that, you know, you do your research and your due diligence. On this channel, in the content that I put out, I'm not a financial advisor, so, you know, I don't suggest that you do what I show, or, you know, some of the bullion that I'm into. Like all stackers, they stack a little bit differently. Some stack for their retirement, some stack for a savings, some stack for inflation hedge. Some stack, you know, they flip metals, they sell metals and make a profit off them and things like that. So once again, it's all according to where you find your niche as far as looking into investing, you know, fiat cash into what is considered to be real money, which is the precious metals. The precious metals are all volatile. Okay, they move up and down every day. All right, throughout the day, markets close on Fridays. All right, at a certain particular time, and then they open back up on Sunday evenings. All right, so you know, I suggest that you take a look into things like that. All right, give you a little quick look at a few other things. All right, for some of the new stackers out there, or for the individuals who are a little uneducated in the metal space, just to give you, you know, some quick options out there, all right, that are government-backed issued bullion, all right, that you can fairly get for a reasonable price and things like that. What you're taking a look at is African, South African Krugerrand. All right. On the Obverse, what you have is the Springbok. This is a 2021. As you can take notice towards the bottom, this is 1 ounce fine silver, 1 troy ounce. So you would have your purity on the bottom. Give you a nice close look up front. Another good option would be your Royal Canadian Mint Maple Leaf. If you take notice, this has a $5 denomination. This is a 2021. This is the not the newest. The 2022s are out. These have the radio lines. Okay, on the obverse you have the privy mark down here, which is the second maple leaf. This particular coin here is 4 nines fine purity. All right, this is 1 troy ounce of silver. So if you take notice to the Royal Canadian Mint, all right, the Krugerrand is 3 nines fine, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, even though it is 1 troy ounce, the Krugerrand is a BU coin. All right, the Royal Canadian Mint maple leafs have more like a proof look finish to them. Another good option for some of the individuals looking to get into precious metals would be your Britannias. This is the 2022. This particular bullion coin also has security features on it just as well, okay, which would be here. Unfortunately, with the Britannia compared to the Royal Canadian Maple Leaf, which is 4 nines fine silver, the Britannia's is 3 nines purity. All right. On our obverse, you would have the Queen. The designer of this particular design is Jody Clark. So you would have a JC at the bottom here. All right. So if you take notice to the security feature here, which is a trident, there's another YouTube content creator that put out a video where he was showing, if you take notice to the security feature, now it looks like a lock, okay, like a keyhole lock. Then when you flip it upwards, you can see the trident, okay, like a hologram. So this is a security feature that are on the Britannias. Give you a more closer look once again. All right, you can see the trident in a little small circle. Then when I turn it back, you can see the lock in the security feature. All right. So these are just some of you know, your government backed bullion right here that have besides the Krugerrand actually doesn't have a face value on it. I'm gonna give you a little quick example of what is around compared to some of your government bullion. As you can take notice, all three coins have reeded edges. Okay. Alrighty then. Now, when it comes to coins, you may have some rounds that may look like coins. Okay. This is what is considered to be a 2-ounce round. This comes from out of the Scottsdale Mint, which is a Scottsdale Mint silver stacker. So this interlocks with a 100-gram stacker just as well as a 5-gram. But you have 1-ounce rounds that look like coins, with the exception that they do not have reeded edges. What separates and distinguishes the two is that rounds do not have a face denominational value enlisted, okay, on the blank. They're mainly more pressed by independent refineries and bullion distributors and things like that. Okay, so this is what would be considered to be a round, even though this is a stacker. At the prior moment while I'm recording this video, I actually didn't get out would be like your normal standard bullion round, like your buffaloes and things like that. All right, but just, you know, something real quick just to give you an idea as far as what you're looking at when you're doing your due diligence and you're researching on a platform on YouTube, and you're looking at a lot of different silver and gold or platinum and palladium precious metals videos. Okay, when you're looking to get into the metal space and you're looking to you know, invest some of that fake funny dummy monopoly money, which we call cash fiat, all right, that's not backed by absolutely anything. All right, this is what is considered to be real money. All right, so, you know, with silver, once again, do your due diligence. Silver is very volatile, all right, compared to some of the other metals. So all metals, they go up and down, you know, throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the year, all right. So once again, I'm not a financial advisor, anything like that. When I'm shooting these videos, I don't suggest that you get out and do what I do, because a lot of precious metals that I show are higher premium pieces. You know, you have U.S. constitutional junk silver out there, just as well as you have lower premium silver that can basically pack the same value. Some of these pieces that I show have numismatic and collector's value to them, not just, you know, metal content value and things like that. In my stacking journey, I actually like pieces that are kind of scarce and rare, where that they have low mintages and things like that. But I don't do that for all metals. All right, I do it for certain particular pieces that I really like. Okay, so that's pretty much what that is. So we're gonna end this video right about now. Want everybody to enjoy the rest of their evening out there. Keep it a safe and a blessed one as always. And to the next one, we gonna check you later. Peace.